solving baby versus hydrogen bomb is like a tie at best, right? Because the bomb doesn't survive the encounter. Like, okay, like the metaphor is like a baby would not survive the blast, right? But if we made it a power scaling thing, like the bomb needs military money and prep time, and plane drivers, pilots, and like somebody has to move that thing really high and then drop it, and then it's just a hunk of metal until you press the button. Like, I don't understand why we can't also move the baby. Like, if we give the hydrogen bomb plane, we should also give the baby a plane and funding too. Like, the amount of money and time and effort that it takes to prep and approve a bomb, like, you could build a shelter, and then you still have money left over for food and babysitters.